Hi, I'm Sai, and today I'm doing a quick review of this Vorally brand radiator cooling fan control module. Give you a close-up look at this, and you might be checking this out if you've had an issue like I have. In my case, I have a Land Rover LR2 HSE. It's a 2013, and the radiator fan is stuck on. That means whether the car is running or not, the radiator cooling fan will continue to run, and if you don't disconnect it, it will eventually run out the battery on the car. So I've had to disconnect the radiator cooling fan every time I get out of my vehicle because there is an issue. So this radiator cooling fan control module by Vorally is a piece that we are going to replace. I'll show you in the vehicle where it gets replaced at. It's in front of the radiator and the power source connects in here at the top, and we're hoping it's a simple fix and that this is what actually needs to be replaced. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood of the car, and I'll show you where this is at, and then it's going to be replaced, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. So here is my Land Rover LR2, and I want you to take note that the vehicle is not running right now, and I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. I'll show you where the radiator cooling fan control module is. So if you just look down, you can see it. You can see that this is the cooling fan right here, and this power source right here plugs into the control module, and I'm going to show you the car is not running right now, but we're going to go ahead and plug this control module in. Here is the control module, pushing it in. And you can see there that even though the car is not running, as soon as I plug the power source into the control module, the fan starts to blow. We're hoping that's going to be fixed when we replace the control module. All right, so it's been more than a month since we replaced the radiator fan control module in the Land Rover. I'm going to show you it, and as you can see and as you can hear right now, the fan is not blowing, which means that it fixed the problem. And our mechanic did go ahead and drive the vehicle long enough to make sure that the fan did go on. So this Vorally radiator fan control module is working properly, and it was the fix for our Land Rover LR2 having a cooling fan that wouldn't turn off. Let's go ahead and see the new one installed here. There you can see our Vorally radiator fan control module all connected up to the power source, and the fan is not blowing, and I am very happy that it has worked. As I said, this was the fix for our radiator fan that wouldn't turn off whether the car was running or not. So I can say confidently that I can recommend this Vorally radiator fan control module, and I think that you'll find that it is an excellent value. I will go ahead and link to this in the description in case you want to help support this channel, and I hope you like my review of the Vorally radiator fan control module. I hope it was helpful for you. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't hesitate to call me back.